Hey you guys, Lydia Puller here with Perspective Marketing, and I wanted to show you a little tip and trick to keep me organized. I am a person that I get swayed easily, and I have the shiny object syndrome, and it's hard for me to keep focused on that one thing that I have to do. So I have a Google Chrome extension that I think would work nicely for you. Yeah, for those of you that are beginners in online and looking for things, you can go ahead and go to your browser and type in Google and come here and you could do Chrome extension, right? We're going to go to block and focus. Or for those of you that kind of know where the extensions are, you go to your browser, you click on the little dots here, you scroll down, you go to more tools, and then you go to your extensions, and then it brings up the page, okay? Versus clicking on the link in your Google search and then going there, all right? But you have two options to find it. So anyhow, what we're going to do is block and focus is, I think it's fantastic. It's so good that I really hate it. But it keeps me, on target, and at least I am trying to create the habit of every time I go online to hit that. I'm not always successful, but I try and hit it. So it'll automatically block your social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, etc. But you might want to include LinkedIn, or maybe you go to Yahoo all the time or other sites. So all you have to do is add those sites to the blocked site section. So let's go ahead and add this to the Google Chrome. And I'm saying yes, go ahead and add the extension. So it's adding the extension, and as you can see over here, there's a little box, all right? And when it's on, it's going to be red. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click it. Now, I could start it right away, but I do want to show you where to add the additional sites. So all you do is click on Options. And in the Options section, I set it for 60 minutes. Sometimes I can go back in and set it for, if I want to go and do some content, I set it for 30, or if I want to work on a client project and I know I'm going to have to spend at least an hour and a half, I might go ahead and put 90 minutes, and then I include my breaks. So every 15-20 minutes I want to go ahead and include the breaks. And then what you can do is for how long do you want to have those breaks? So all you have to do is switch this stuff out, and it's as easy as highlighting it and changing it, and you're good to go. If you want to block certain sites, all you have to do is click on that box, and then you can include LinkedIn, let's just say, or maybe you have you keep going back to Yahoo. Okay, you can include that in there. Make sure to save your changes, right? So let's just test this out. So first of all, I'm going to a new screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little box, and I'm going to turn that on. Click Start, and I can see that it's on. So the sites that were blocked, I will not be able to get onto them, and it's going to give me a motivational quote. And when you see that pop up, you look at it and you think, oh my goodness, and then you read the quote, and then you realize you should be doing what you're supposed to be doing. So let's pull up Facebook. Aha, what seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. You're like, what the hell is that? And you might forget that you even turned this on. Let's go back. Try to get into Facebook again. What the heck? All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So it keeps coming up, their little reminders. And you're like, what the heck? Let me go to Twitter. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. So anyhow, if that's what I use, and I thought that I would share it with you. If you click over here, you can go ahead and stop it. You can pause it, and it will tell you how many times you worked within that time frame that you put in your settings. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.